Happy Thursday to you one and all. Today, Thursday in Jamaica, they call it Ben Johnson Day. But Ben Johnson is a Canadian, so why them call it Ben Johnson Day? Me no know. But them call it Ben Johnson Day, brother. So, we just stick with what them say. I'll do on everything them say if you follow, you know. But, them say Ben Johnson Day, so I don't know no much from it, so we can work with it. So, I go and speak my mind, people. Happy Thursday again, as me just say. You know, the week is drawing closer to the end, where all school children free paper bun. Well, some bun already, because in Jamaica some school give holiday before some. So you find say those schools that give holiday a little bit earlier, they open also a little bit earlier. But come next week, Monday, Tuesday, every school supposed to open. So big up on yourself, schoolers, for the turn again. You know, new school term. Anyways, speak my mind, family. When you don't know, continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit that thumbs up when you hit the video. Don't wait till you're done watch the video, because you might just say God for hit the thumbs up. Hit it as you hit the video. You understand? And remember to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Family oriented TV. We don't know all about it. I've been singing it in our ears for how long. Well, I'm finally getting the support. I still need a stronger support over there, because as I told you, I need some watch hours now to get that channel monetized. I reached the qualification mark where subscribers are concerned. I'm over the 1,000 now, but I still need about 2,000 and watch hours. And people, as me telling you, I have to get it by, when I say half, me not telling you sound about forgive me. But I have to get it where the channel is concerned, and the YouTube guideline, I think I have to get that 4,000 watch hours by November, because the watch hours only serve for 365 days. So for instance, I'm gone just under 2,000 now. And say come November, I reach 3,500, and November done, I'm short of 500. They don't carry over that watch hours after the 365 days. You have to start all over again, and it's very hard for you to start over. So, but no one can do it, because you don't know how one nation stands alone. And when we say we are do something, we are do it. No matter where the naysayers them try. Worse when them talk, Jesus, peace. It happen even better. Yeah, man, because who never planned to come out on that train here today, just come out and make the train look more better. Alright. Anyway, people, I see a little thing I go around with Marcia, you know, where her son was arrested. And you know, me is not a type of person where they jump and fabricate story and jump to fabricating of story. You know, me have to go around and seek and do my due diligence to find out what is what before me come on my platform, come say anything. Because I not just want to say anything because I want views. Because in the long run, you know, it might not work out well for you. You want when people go so hit your channel, whatever them hear, you know, sometime it might not exactly, because remember we're not everywhere, and like for me we can't fly. So sometimes yes, we might hear something and I try to go over this so to see what is what, hear what is what, go there so hear what is what, and try to see what comes out in the ear, and then to whatsoever happen to hear with them have to say, and then I put my 2 cents together and say it. So if me not really have some confidential in a way me I come say, or me know what I say. But before me get into the Marcia saga, I have not called this woman name for months now, but me I go call it, because no matter if me call it, she not get no knowing say nobody. You have one little dirty woman named Queen Bee. I don't know what happened to this woman. last night, me as choice, as me telling you, sometime me late bad, you know. Yeah, man, sometime me late bad. Because me see the video, me think it was like yesterday or even the same day when me I see it. But when like a mind say, check good man, the video was done like 5 days ago. Queen B, me never know say Dana Cratch are your one. Me never know say Dana Cratch are your mama one or your sister one or your pitney one. Me never know say Dana life a year one where you can come tell her whether she a Christian or how she feel live her Christian life or the Christianity life where she a live and I come out and say certain things it not righteous and rare. Yes, say one bag of things in the video, you know. One bag of things to get your point across. But what me want to know, Christian not have sex. Christian woman not take man. Christian man not take woman. So how not gonna make it look like true Dana a Christian? She must say she name Saul. The good thing about it, this woman come out on her platform and she just talk it as it is. She telling us she name Salt. Alright, put that aside. The woman come out with icky on her neck. Yes, we all see it in her phone. But if the woman come and she and say, no sir, no icky, we try to say icky. No sir, the bees them. We all know say it's icky. And when she gonna say a bees, we all know. But you come on your platform and make it look like say the woman is her own big woman, you know, but you come on your platform and you talk about the Christian life where she portray herself is to get the mass of people to gravitate to her. You understand? When the icky company neck and people see the icky and they talking about salt and whatsoever and ray and you try to cover up and hide the icky is because you cannot put it outside there to make it look this way because to all you make it look like you're a Christian. So what? True, she a Christian, she can't have icky. And all the woman talk, she can't bother put the icky them on her, make the icky go up on her neck. She prefer when it go up on her breast or go place where can't hide. And you come out and you talk all kind of things. Like the woman's sex life, you is in control of it. True, you not have no man figure you no icky. In all time rum barrel. Eh? True, you not have no man for love you and give you no icky. You come and talk about the woman, like, basically you're trying to say the woman used Christianity, like what the whole on in a phone I say, for trick the world. You understand? That's exactly what you try to get at. And you come talk one bag of things, like say, boy, Christian no go to bed, Christian no F. Christian no F. Me always say me want fast pan too Christian. Me always say it. People, honestly, you know, from me I grow, I know my teen, my late teens, me always say, sometimes to all Christian really go on, would I really want people and too Christian or dogo. Yeah. Because me just see that say, this is true them a Christian and then me bring out that type of life they in the street, when them in the house, hell pop loose. So I always want to see Christian a dogo. I always wish people and Christian a dogo. So, when you stop going like say Christian have sex, Christian have nature. You come and going like you try, you know, if you downgrade the woman Christianity and whatsoever. As we said, Dana come talk every damn thing. She name Salt and she not right with God and she lose her step and whatsoever. How much I know that come say all of that? How much I know? No for that still as she like one is 100% with God. Dana said over and over for probably the past year and a half, 2 years, that she lose a little step with God. She honestly come say that when uno come out come say. Me don't know how no concerned with everything what this woman do. It's like if the woman no shit no name. When the woman sex life, and the woman Christianity life, Everything is just about our personal life because when you say charity, it's all about charity and all about scamming and whatsoever the whole on. But at the same time, only in a woman personal life. Good God, man. And for all you look at all the rum barrel, the whole time, long time, there's rum barrel, and me down a and never pack up down in the big old what me space in the sun. I don't know, Dana make no man nah give you no icky, man. Come on for the woman name, man. You know, see all you try, you not get no recognition in the social media. People don't like you because you're like a drawstring puppet. If you're a big woman, you're not a woman who can stand up on your foot and stand your own. Look how you come out and make, you just make, what do you call it now? With the argument, the whole thing with Marcia, and how Marcia come out and deal with you. And vomit pan you, you turn you on, just lick up the vomit when she vomit pan you. Because you just want friendship for a big woman. You think me could have deal with somebody so when I say I'm my friend, and me just make certain little, you know, speech. I try to show people certain little things and to me call your name, you misinterpret what me I try to say, and you come out and deal with me so I look back upon you as a friend, man. You have to go on your ways and stay my one. After me no way an obligation. But it come like Marcia owe you something for my obligation. Anyway, people may could get into the Marcia Saga and our son. You see, in life when you are going like perfect, it come right back down to this now. Someone in a phone are going like life is all that perfect. You know? Most of you will have picnic at that. We come out from people picnic for some reason or the other. Or no reason at all. Just because when you don't get it to the face from the person who not deal it on the phone, who go below the waist and hit them below the waist and bring in family member and picnic. You understand? You understand? And you cast all kind of judgment on people picnic like you forgot to have picnic. You want this to happen to people picnic, that to happen to people picnic, and all kind of things you wish people picnic. And for God's sake, phone life not perfect, and it will never be perfect because none of it. No care who you see in a church at all about them holy. Not even the pastor. None of it not perfect. None of it. Where God put upon earth are not perfect. None of it not care we act perfect. There must be something in life where you do. If I have one time. So none of it not perfect. People, but they have to dissect our video. Where she come and talk about her son and try to clear the air. With the whole son will go to jail and all kind of sitting. And I try to deny it. Whether I'm going to jail for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 day, 1 day, 2 day, is jail him go. You understand? So, make a hear her. Marcia Campbell.
Arrest him for the tail light and I know them check him for the suspended license. When them search him card, them saw that he had him girlfriend card in his car and stuff. They just arrested him and put that on it. And he went to the jail, came out the next day because of the incident and him supposed to stay away, whatever, but it was them still all young people or whatever it is. Simple, minor things. I eat the dirty pussy old boy over there. I scandalize my son and I talk about fraud and all kind of something. And me send the money on the girlfriend card and he was going about in business. But you know when you have a little, you're not supposed to drive with suspended license and him, the light not fixed on the car. Simple matter. Simple thing. Must be about $300 them charge.
Alright. Stick up in this so. No care where y'all come chat and justify in breaking the law. One, basically there is some restraining order where the law is concerned. Where him not supposed to see with the woman. No flesh now gonna make me get in a problem, so. No flesh. She have to come at my place. So when the police come, she there at my place. I know me there fear place. So she in a my boundary. Me not in a fear boundary. Me now go take no harassment from no police. You understand? Two, you have been talking about this tail light from how long where him have the car and the tail light broke. So what you want to tell me say? How long now and him know say it's an offense. Why him don't fix the tail light? And money him not have? Him have a strong hearty mother. Him have a strong hearty father based on what you are saying in a phone, you know. Because what you are saying, you know. So why, if him not have no money, you, as him celebrity mother, since him father give him the car, that's what you say, why you can't buy him the tail light? You understand? Him have to continue driving around with the vehicle, defective vehicle, and him continue go in a runnings with police. Because basically, if him never have that broken tail light, probably the police would not have stopped him to check him. And with him have the woman card, in a don't know so far in stay, and like Jamaica, him could have the woman card in a position a little more. Jamaican police, they've not checked for that. But we know foreign police stay, them check for everything and them run everything through them system, them computerized technology system. First world country we live in, and that we don't want. So basically, them stop him, them check the card, them see the card, them realize it probably is a woman card. Them run the card. She said this man not supposed to with this woman. So basically, from you have her card years with her, you have some form of dealings with her. Despite her, your baby mother, the law say. You understand? The law say restraining order. But because of the flesh, you don't give a damn. But what me I say, if you did fix the tail light of the car, these police probably would not stop you. So the stop what you get for the tail light lead to something else, make you get arrested. So basically, you break the law more than one way. You understand? Because you break the law with a restraining order, and yet still you continue to drive the car with a broken tail light. That is 2. And 3, you have not have you do not have a current driver's license. You have a suspended driver's license and you continue to drive. You understand? I'm going to make a continue talk before I say something else.
And get him out. And he came out from almost weeks now. Me just don't talk to my son right beside his girlfriend and the baby this morning when them call me. Me have picture can show you me screenshot. So me just want to let you know. The boy is not but a pussy. You know, see when over there accuse me for him co-worker. Him a boss of him co-worker son is in you protect the country.
Listen.
You don't know that is already. Him son in co-worker son, my India protect the army, but his son we pray to God that him come home with all the limbs them, and we pray that him don't come home with a body bag. You understand? Him a boss about him son soon turn doctor.
Don't pretty up nothing about your prayer to God. You just don't want to come up because you have said it already. Oh, our son in the army. When I talk about our son in the army, you know, a soldier, you know, we can't happen. Them can't come home in a body bag, and them can't this, and them can't that, and them can't that. You never preach it up and say, but no God. You understand? So just come out and say it the way how you say it the first time when you say it. Oh, him a soldier, not when a soldier, him can this and him can that, him can come back home in a body bag. Just say it the same way. And this is what we are saying. You always try to wish bad for people. Alright. That shanty over him page, I deal with you and your son and you. And if him even come out and him say, him co-worker, why you go insert the woman's son? You know, deal with that shanty and the co-worker. Why you go insert the woman's son? Tell me why you insert the woman's son. Because this is what you continue to do.
We don't care if your son wants to doctor or not on doctor. That is not my business. The thing about it, you don't have nothing on me. You don't have nothing on me, bitch. Dirty pussy and shanty, you don't have nothing for me. You can't hurt me with my son because me know. Me are the one who send him the money them. Pan the cash card to buy where he want to buy. For my baby and where me want to buy.
So that simply means you're in league with your son, lawlessness. Your son has no regards for the law. You understand? Your son has no regards for the law and you're in league with it. Because basically, you supposed to know, him supposed to know, say, so what? Wait, let me ask something. So what, your son don't have a card for himself? Your son, your boss, so your son is an American citizen and your son is this and your son is that. So your son don't have no value, no card for himself that you have to be sending the money upon the baby mother card that him have to have access to it where he not supposed to have no access to it because of the law. So him being lawless and you're contributing to him being lawless, not having any driver's license, driving a car around with a broken tail light, which is against the law, traveling with somebody who is cards that there's a restraining order against him for. Lawlessness, man.
And because of a little incident, them always have his target. The girlfriend tell me say CJ is tag. CJ is tag because CJ driving a car when daddy give him where met nice. And through him, them know say him no have no license, sitting there with certain situation, and him can't fix, them always a stop him. And him see something in there.
Hey, sometimes I listen to all on the talk, you know, man. If you ever go in one courthouse, you know, no sink on yourself, you know. If you even have a little drips a chance to get to it, I bet you get one lawyer for chat and make you no chat none at all. Because you not go sink on yourself. You hear what you just said a while ago? CJ's baby mother said the woman said he's been tagged. Oh, she know that. The police them tell us say them tag him. And because the father give him one car and it make a lot of noise and way, so they target him. Alright. If the car make a lot of noise. Basically, in our country, as just a first world country, so noise abatement act. So noise new stance. So them are gonna pull you over. So basically, if your muffler too loud, then pull you over, them are gonna charge you for noise abatement act. So that's another unlawful thing. And you know that say the police them tag you because the car make all the noise. And you still have the car drive the same way. And you come on social media as the mother and I try to justify all the bullshit. Come on, man.
If him did a commit fraud and pussy, he wouldn't get $300 or whatever, like a temporary something because based on the situation. I just want...
It go and cost you a whole heap more $300 if him don't fix the tail light. Get rid of the muffler where I make one bag of noise where is against the law and stop drive until he becomes a licensed driver again. Because, let me tell you this. Once your license expire, he's not a licensed driver. Once your license suspended, you're not a licensed driver. So now come tell the police say, no man, I'm a license, but it suspend it expired last week, I'm not gonna deal with it yet. For it expire, he's not a licensed driver. So if him know all of this, why him don't do the next best thing to get himself out of the problem and solve the situation? You gotta talk about it's just $300. Me say you gotta pay $300 for one little parking violation in where you live. And you talk about it all week. A good thing YouTube did pay the weekend. And so you ease up our fight. So if you continue if you pay $300 for the same violation where you might do over and over. But little $300.
I want you guys to listen to the mother. Because it is kind of hurt to see how him care over there dragging down my son like that. And everybody who got jail, them put on a suit and nothing. Donald Trump have on Martha Stewart have it on, all the rich folks them have it on. Go suck your mama dirty.
So, well, probably she confirm say, if you say your son no spend no time in a jail, him come out, in one part of the video you say him come out the next day. And in our next part of the video you say within 3 hours him come out. And right here so now, it's like that Shanti must say, I don't know, me a quote off of how she attack, because I don't hear the video with that Shanti. Probably that Shanti was a film channel, I said, boy, right, them put him in the orange suit. You saw to all your talk like yes, he was in an orange suit because you're gonna say, what to that? This man put it on, that the man put it on, this man put it on. So oh he made put but then again I know prison him go. Me kind of confused as some people. Honestly, me confused. Probably too many familiarize with the foreign system. Me, wanna say with me. Remember say me not on a passport, you know. Me a deported, but me not on a passport, so me don't know me get deported. Must be from St. Andrew to Kingston. Me don't know our Kingston to St. Andrew.
Pussy boy Ashanti. You don't have nothing for me. CJ is an adult. We don't responsible. Just like old lady V not responsible for his daughter out there naked on social media and put dildo in a one girl pussy. Go talk about that. We can't help it with children do out there.
Okay. Oh. You can't help it what your children do out there. Or when you know that. Just know because the bugger turn around to bite you. So all these days and weeks and months and years, when you sit down in a phone, you and your friend them, a crucify other parents for their kids who are adult, crucifying the parents for their kids that is adult. The kids I do what them I do, what them see best. And the action of the kids, you crucify the parents. You never know, say, you don't have no control over the action of the kids because they are adult. Come back to what me I say. You and Ashanti attack, there is no way Lady V is a part of this whole thing we are talking so. But you see where you go to use as example, Lady V, daughter we out there push rain and this and rain and that. And you don't want people come tell you about your pitney. And every day you come out, you talk about people pitney. You use your brain to include people, kids, like you're smart. I remember you never gone to school at Jamaica. Because you left you at a tender age. And it has been proven that you never go none. A land of Merrimaca. Which is your first world country where you praise every day. Where education as a citizen, the government look out for you based upon what me hear and understand. But you want to come use your little shad brain from people when you insert people, kids. Well, Lady V and her picnic have to do with the video with you and that Shanti and your son.
We cannot help it. You cannot put nothing on it. All we have to do is to pray for our children. Go and speak about that. I go speak about that. So nobody come on social media. So I am just here.
You coming like a couple years ago when a certain government in a power in a Jamaica and the crime a go away. And then can't control the crime. And you hear the Minister of Security come out and said, Lord, we need divine intervention. You understand? But when them out of power and the next party in a power, and the crime is still rampant, them have all the solution for the crime. And because the present party did so when them win, you can't sleep with your door and your window open. Them come out and them use it. But them forgot say them did in a power when crime was rampant. And the things when me see happen during for them time, well, station, police station has been fired upon more than one. Police has been taken out more than one in a for them time. That them have to run and talk about, Lord, we need intervention. Are you this now? You understand? You never realize say you can't do nothing about the kids when them becomes adult. But what they when the same woman your name and her pitney in a social media, wanna take it on a bat it like bat and ball. But you never did that think that way there. Say Lady V have no control over her daughter who is an adult who live way Florida while she live in Antigua. You understand? Wanna take the people them for footstool. But when the bugger come on to bite you know.
I am just here to let you people know on social media, my son is not in any jail. And my son will commit no fraud. You understand?
him not commit no fraud. Yeah, he might not commit no fraud, but him break the law and continue to break the law. So whether or not him commit a fraud or not, the point is him break the law. And in breaking the law, he has break the law 1 stop, 3 violation. No defective tail light, no driver's license, driving with documents for someone who there is a restraining order for. That's all we want to know.
Heart attack. For telling lie. You soon have heart attack same place by your wage. For dragging people, children down. And telling lie. You understand? And that is going to happen to you. You see, through me, you want to go to heaven? Me have to keep my hand clean. Me, Marcia Campbell, I grew up in a church. And through me want to go to heaven, I have to keep my hand clean. I want to see God's face. I want to see God's face. Me want when the trumpet of the Lord shall sound and the dead in Christ shall rise. All me can tell you, Ashanti 360, you're lucky in a blood clot me grew up good. You're so lucky that I, Marcia Campbell, grew up in a church. You're lucky say I grew up.
Hold on. I the same Marcia this was 48 to 72 hours ago. Swear upon the Bible, offering 100,000 we should not have for somebody information. We did over the same Ashanti page. I said certain things about her son and she. And swear upon the Bible, say she would done her bank book for work over upon the person. Are the same person this way I live right with God and grow up good? No, sir. Just 48 to 72 hours. 2 to 3 days ago. No, sir. This not right at all. Them are people that something wrong with you. No really take God for one piece of papi show. When me agree with my mother say make them call you papi, but don't make them add no show to it. But only just get up every day and take God for papi show. Eh? When you watching a show up on the TV, one want take God for papi show. Everything you call God name, God name, God name, God name. I mean always say this, you say anybody will get up and call God name every minute, every second, every little thing, me have them people as devil's child. From me I grew, me always say that up till now. Anybody, whether you're a Christian, you're Worldlian, or you're whatsoever, anybody where you get up at them to them talk about God, God, God. As them go on the road and water gone, God, God, God. You know what jolt and water gone, hear upon God, this God, Jesus, this, everything of Jesus, and them call upon Jesus, every single thing. Devil's child. You understand? When you just swing upon Jesus' name like a whisk. And I you this Marcia, because 72 hours ago you talk about Obi a woman and swear upon Bible say you will do it. But no, you come and call upon God. God don't believe and deal in a Obi man.
Christian background all my life. You're lucky for me on social media over 10 years. I am keeping church. You's a lucky ass motherfucker. Now let me tell you something. If me they grew up in a one little dirty home, when I grew up in a church, and I want to see God's face, mark me blood clot 10. If when me see I do it, my business.
Marcia, right now, them have to start one new line and you try to reach up in front to see God's face. Me feel like you're not see God's face. Every judge is a sinner, but me feel like you're not see God's face. You have a hard time to see God's face. And when you go talk about you grew up in a church, your age where you is 49, 50. Almost everybody your age and before you, all of we grew up in a church. Especially a thing what we call Sunday school. So nobody come talk about you grew up in a church. Grow up in a church and have nothing to do with it. You have people grow up in a church and still in a church right now and them is a devil's child. So no come talk about you go up in a church. That's all you no want to do, as me say, swing pan God name and church, when you not do no evil doings.
That's all I can say. Father God, may I ask you, Father God, to create a clean heart in me and renew a right spirit. You look.
Okay, you're smart. Renew a clean heart in you, because all of them they over there where you were back then. You take the right road now. I beg God to clean up your dirty deeds. So you come and go on like you did perfect. I the right road that. Because God will really pardon you. Because we say if God was like man enough time, someone head turn behind you like Chucky, then daddy there, oops. And you walk front to you, but you still behind you, look. So the right thing you ask now, clean up your dirty heart and come. Because your heart dirty, not even coconut water can help you. Unless you are going to dip caustic soda in that.
Me I tell you, you're lucky, me I tell you. You're lucky I grew up into a Christian home. And me come too far. No, me a 50-year-old. A lot of people don't live to 50. You're lucky. You're the bad page I put on people picnic for co-worker. For Dana Jamaica. And Miss Richie. Me not trouble Miss Richie. You come by social media and try to make money. For drag down a woman picnic. And you are boast about woman picnic in the army, from the army. What happened to people picnic in the army? I pray people have to pray for make them picnic come out good. Some of them come out with mental illness, some of them come out with a leg limb, and some of them come out with body bag.
Whether you're in the army, out of the army, you're in the world, or you just live normal life, you can't come out with a limb, you can't come out with mental illness, you can't come out being a woman abuser, you can't come out be everything just like where your picnic is. You're picnic in the army. You understand? And him have that anger towards woman. I want to say it in a social media, Because the same anger where him have while restraining order upon him with him and him baby mother. So don't come out pretty, come wish no bad for the woman picnic. Because for your son not in the arm if you nothing to do him. Right now, him more at risk than the woman picnic way in the army. So you come out and go on like you pretty up things and you don't want to talk it as it is, as how you have it in you. Talk it like how you do it the last time. Him like if you come home with a body bag so you can go and chat to arm him there. Wait. I wish bad for the woman picnic. I know the first you do it, so don't come pretty up nothing now.
Remember, my son went to Savannah, Georgia, military base. And he graduated as a corporal for going to the army, and he didn't go.
Where are he now?
You're not bright like me, Pitney.
Where are he now?
Your son not bright like me, Pitney.
Your son not an ambition, man.
Not even your co-worker, Pitney, not bright like mine. Me not ask you.
Your son not an ambition. The man not bright like your Pitney, him not the army right now. He must serve him country right now. Where are your Pitney? Your Pitney going to the army and him pass as a corporal. That simply means him pass with distinction, Your son going to the army according to you. And him pass as a corporal. You pass with stripe, you pass with distinction. But where are your child now? Driving around, breaking the law. You understand? After having a celebrity mother and a father, that is a justice whatsoever. You don't have a son a drive around and break the law, and then I come talk about who bright from who not bright and who graduate. Him graduate as a corporal. Where is he now? Did he serve his country? No, because he's not somebody who have ambition just like his mama.
He's a born American. I'm rather him go to jail.
Him not have no ambition just like you. Just like how you don't want to own a house. Because you're afraid for the upkeep of the house like it's a day-to-day business.
You don't have nothing on me. So you feel you can't come and hurt me. Jail no make for dog. One couple of hours you spend and come right out. just because of simple little things.
See, me tell you earlier on, she said him spend,
And this
him
boy
come out the
come over
following
here,
day, know him just spend
a
couple
fabricate
hours.
story. And I go on and I go on and I go on and I go on and I go on. Me say your days are come.
Your days are come too.
Your days are come.
I don't feel like the bug on the day have to bite one set of people.
That be nice,
bite
Coco.
two, no two.
That be nice.
All Coco tired of you.
That be nice.
Watch her beat Coco.
Your days are come.
Animal rights, human rights,
you
everything,
you
all
think
kind
you're
of
all
rights.
that
Come
on
for
social
Marcia.
media. Actually, I'm jealous of me now.
Frustration I take out pan Coco.
A competition in with me. Me not ask you. Because you want me pussy, you can't get it.
Why would woman always stay so? When man have any form of argument and man come out and tell you as it is and tell you the truth, you know always go on like so on the front line with some Dubai goal. All that the man they good all tell you say him love you how much time when you lie down within a bed and you swear say the man love you. Eh? Then me could have love somebody like you. That the man just use you like when a man just come rent a car for a day. Not even a week, just say a day. That's how the man I use you. Because I could have love someone like you, but that your behavior alone sick my stomach. For a big man. Your behavior, your attitude alone sick my stomach. Not to mention if you take off your clothes. Because me see in your clothes and you look that way there. And love body shame and criticize people. Eh? Why me I tell you?
With me. You over there talk about co-worker this and co-worker that and don't talk about the dead. Nobody wasn't talking about the dead. Lorian, send me them voicemail them. Send me them video them. Where my class the co-worker them for me. Let me play them blood clot for my page. And show you who I talk about co-worker.
All the way you call Lorian to send you.
Send the voice send the video tape them where you have Lorian. Where my class
what justice that I gonna do for you?
And let me play them for my page.
What you gonna achieve from that?
You motherfucker.
We hear them every day. We hear all of them the voice make note every day.
How many times you got jail?
What justice I gonna do for you? No, I do not justice see you, man. So why call for them? But this just goes to show you the type of person who is a big, growing ass adult. Who behave worse than a child. And then when you see a child, a child or a teenager out there, I behave certain way where you expect a teen to behave. You understand? When you come on and justify and crucify and do everything that is fine. And uno as growing ass woman in a phone, social media, worldwide net, where all people from Asia, all both in a Europe, North America, South America, as soon. Sometimes them they even know how not chat because they might speak different language. But just to show you how everybody as soon to come and behave like this. But you still don't want to crucify a teenager. We still live teenage life when you understand and have the knowledge of certain things. Or if them even understand, them just take everything for granted or for joke. Because, you know, certain things them not go through yet because them not reach adulthood yet. Grown ass woman like you. A big one like you now, they on phone. Larian, send me them tape, man play them. Man play. What that have to do? Dana here, wanna play them every day. We here, wanna play them every day. What it gonna do to you when you do it? It now make things better. And you have to make things better for yourself and your family. And lower for other people and them family. And stop insert people picking in things. And when it reach your back, you cry out like a big old bitch.
So the big star come with this. Even when me and CJ daddy was talking a while ago. I remember saying CJ father worked for Central Booking, you know. The big police station department is a criminal justice. In the courthouse, in the police department. Over what's that called me? I have a carrier in, book you, and carry in the courthouse.
So, when you see me ask my people, I wonder if you understand what I try to get at. She, as a social media personality, according to she, a social media celebrity is CJ mother. And CJ father is what kind of justice? Make a listen back what kind of justice.
So the big star come with this.
Listen
Even when
again,
me and
people.
CJ daddy was talking a while ago. God remember saying no, CJ father work for Central Booking, you know. The big police station department is a criminal justice.
She's a big star and CJ father is a criminal justice. And you come and justify all the law breaking that CJ have been doing because he has been driving that car with the tail light broken for a while now, because it's not the first you complain and talk about it. You understand? He has been driving without a permit, a suspended permit at that, you know. Because it's not like him never have no permit none at all. Him did have, but it has been suspended. Who suspend it? The law suspend it. But yet still, you still a drive with a suspended permit. That simply means you have no regards to the law. But yet still your father is a criminal justice. Your mother is a social media influencer. So tell me what you try to tell me now. When you come out and criticize other people, pitney. When you boast out, your pitney come out a good breed and boast this and boast that. And your pitney go around and broke the law in America with his father as a criminal justice. Hey, you see how somehow no? You don't want to wrap up in a one scandal bag. Not the big rubbish bag, you know. The whole on force in a one normal scandal bag and we tie the bag and put on down till the rubbish truck come. By the time the rubbish truck come on stifle. Because too much on in a little bag. No space not there for breed. And that's the reason why we not going no big rubbish bag. Because we want to buy the rubbish truck we come on suffocated. Yeah man. So true, it's a public record, that's what you say. Him now go sit and wait till him expunge if so be the case. Him go just continue to drive around with a suspended driver's license and continue to break the law with whatever offense he has already break the law with, that he has been restrained and XYZ. Okay, well continue now. Because his father can help him and his mother can have big celebrities.
For him not straighten out him license business yet. So him always in a problem with that. And because the two of them did have a little incident and him supposed to stay away from her, having the card on him, it come like say a fraud situation. Because you know that we're already with police situation. The boy over there, I tell
you know all of that as his mother. Basically, his father is a criminal justice, know all of that. Him know all of that. But he still him go around still breaking the law. And you feel comfortable and satisfied with that. But you come and say he's an adult. You know, I'm not control over what him do. But the lady, which is Lady V, where you're inserting the conversation, when I have nothing to do with it, she and her daughter. She have control over her adult daughter. Where they ever live in the same country. Like you were living in the same country but by a different state. Lady V live with Antigua, her daughter live in Florida. But Lady V control her daughter. Oh, technology, she just go up on her phone and do what she do and control the daughter. And you're the America where your son the America and you can't tell him say, look here man. The next time you get yourself in your whatsoever, I won't be the one who is going to come and bail you out or come and look for you. You have a suspended driver's license, stay away from driving. And when you do get back your driver's license, fix the tail light on the car. You're on a restraining order, don't have nothing to do with her. Here what you can do. Make she stay with her card. Simple as that. You understand? You can't tell him that as simple as that we have put him in a trouble, problem. and bring down stress upon you. But the lady of Antigua, the young Miss of Florida, which is her daughter, doing what she do seems to feel to she that she are living her best life. Where that now put her in a problem. You understand? Uno crucify the woman to control her adult daughter in what her adult daughter do. When the woman there bed and her adult daughter there Florida, she don't know what she doing. When she go up on her phone and go up on her pages that she have, she don't know what she's doing. But uno bring the woman for nearly 2 months and still I bring her.
Lie on my son. My son spent a couple of hours. I think it was about $300. I think daddy sent the money, go and take care of it. And my son is not in no jail.
So, you see, him daddy send the money and take care of it. So basically, him daddy who's a just criminal justice also know the situation. And they plan to put no stop to it. Because basically, if them even tell him is an adult, so him continue to do what him do. But uno continue to take him out. Because what? Are you pitney? Who can hear will feel. So if uno no plan for make him feel, and him not hear uno, him will continue to do what him do. And it will continue to cause uno. And it could have reached a stage where uno can't help him one at a time. Because he might be continue still being a repeat offender. Alright.
Yes. I'm mad over like a charity that we assisted the angel with.
Oh shit.
The angel never got to them savior.
Sit your ass down.
The angel came to Jesus' side.
What charity?
The angel came to our side, asked us for us, asked me, tell her, I am the one who invited her when she was telling me that Marcia, me and I was speaking as we always talk. And she was like, Marcia, you know what, say me have a back to school drive, me don't know what I can do because me not get no help from my side. Me only have 2 bags, I don't know. Say, listen, come on my page. I will assist you. And show me know, say me have me good at it, big up friend them. But know them not job couple $100 per hour. And they surely did.
And a day or two after me see you get a stack of sheet and put them out on the table, me no see nobody round you a flock you for buying a sheet. Me no hear your phone a bling off or a ring off or a ting off. If you say, boy, okay, message is coming in and order is coming in. And you have your good up people them. So them support stranger upon your page as your members only and not support your business. People, let me tell you the whole issue. We all know, me don't have to spell it out. This is just about jealousy, bad mind, and want to be 99 so bad that whatever transpire with the angel and the charity, because this is the angel put on our charity for a while now. And you can't tell me say the angel only could have find 5 bag. 5 bag, she could have buy that 5 bag. And you want to tell me say the angel couldn't find a money for put in at start that you are going to say the angel must tell us she only have 3 or 5 bag? Or who you going to fool? Or who you tell that? But let me tell you this, the angel might just say something and she just readily want to use the angel on her platform because she want to prove a point. Poor the angel, do you even know the cuss and the pass where she a try to bring her in when she requests her to come on her platform because the angel know say she know this pass want to prove a point. Probably a couple weeks or days after the angel might get the whole issue from somebody else or somebody might see her and say it or go up on her platform and tell her, say, you know, say I use Marcia, I use you to try get some form of message across to the woman amount the view or prove a point. That's exactly what she did, you know. She exploit the angel. Without the angel even realize and know the angel thinks she might just be doing it out her heart genuinely because she represent her at her gala and whatsoever. So she do it out her heart genuinely. She exploit the angel. Use the angel to prove a point.
And all of a sudden, me and her run scam. just because she never went over to 99 if you ask her for help, so they can't donor her. Well, let me tell you something. Karma is a bitch, honey.
And if you know that,
go behind bar.
You make it look like 99 sit down and wait for people to come beg her if you put them on platform. But to jealous and with God she never go over 99 over on a boss. Yeah for on a donor. 99 sit down and wait for people to come put them out. A year job that after 15 years a year seek recognition in a social media and I realize the social media gonna leave you. You know so much young generation you have after you. We are coming on social media. Every one of the different platforms them you can think of, apps them that is there. There is no return you can return to social media. Look at your page now for after 15 years. I don't think you have 50,000 subscribers, followers on your Facebook page. But yet still you come and boast how much you are, big deal. And you're in a social media for 15 years. And you don't even have 50,000 somebody on your platform. You shouldn't come and talk that. You understand? Because there's nobody in social media. All of your history where you talk about and you alone know about it. You continue to talk about you have been doing charity for over 30 years. And you continue to talk about two little madmen or you pass a Portmore. And you buy curry goat, give them, you never stop and give them mango. You never stop competition you want. You never stop and you not talk about the other hundreds of people where the woman give other things and bigger than your little curry goat where you give. You look for your one man round this and you give him this. All of your charity where you talk so you do is just in the country where you come from, the parish where you come from. You understand? And we still have no proof of it. We just work with what you say. So you pass two little madman a Portmore and you stop 2, 3 or 4 days and buy them 2 food. And come and talk about a charity that. You know what people buy people food every day? A charity them do? No deadbeat to no man. You don't have no life to get back in a social media, man. You don't come like a speaker we flag out. You don't come like one of Metro Media all-time speaker them. We flag out. The cone bus and can't cone back. About charity. What you call charity? You bring down 2 little old second and cheap clothes. And some little sit in the car down your country, down your parish where you come from and get out. Who benefit? Those the people them in your little parish surrounding where you come from. Nothing wrong with that. That's good because if everybody that really go and come back and do something for them community, that's good. But when you come and broadcast like you were doing some form of ethic charity and you involve 2 little madman where you pass, this is what you do things to talk about it, to have bragging rights. You know, do things for your heart. You don't pretend like you do it for your heart, Marcia. You don't do it for your heart. You do it for have bragging rights. You do it for come show. So I better know what's just transparent like 99. Wanna cuss every day, but you put everybody on phone. Because putting the people them on phone, wanna worse off, wanna help somebody around us and come brag about it. I better not put them on phone, make everybody see wanna help them and not just phone the word them out.
So no breaking news then of this.
Same knife like stick goat, stick sheep, stick goat and that. If you know you know that kind of amount of goat you come out you come stick.
Remember.
Or sheep you come out you come stick. You know so the same knife I go stick you.
That pussy face boy. And girl pitney. With the America. Expression the America now. And them black too. And them driving them car on the road. Them their own some friends.
So when you drag down people pitney, you never remember say you have pitney. You never remember say you have pitney when you drag down people pitney. You come talk about when you drag down people pitney, I remember say you don't have pitney here, boy pitney and gal pitney and them black too. Hey. But black have to do with it.
It's alright. same knife we stick sheepy, we stick goat.
And it's going to
So
stick
keep
you
on
too and on the
talking
goat.
and
It's
keep
going to
on
stick in your big old iron gut where you have.
dragging down. People.
You come and
Let's
ball.
see if it's expire.
Ball.
We get 20% off.
When the bug bite, you
expiration
never know. So you have the
July
bug bite other
30th.
people long time and that's how it feel.
$29.99 of value. Have you ever heard me come on social media and discuss that woman's son? I had it. So what kind of karma? Eh? Because we come on social media and talk the truth about what is taking place in a charity or a karma that. You ever hear me come on this up? You ever hear me come on social media and I dismiss Richie? Me hear me name blog, him hear me name video and talk about Miss Richie and make it dead rest in peace. Did you hear me talk about Miss Richie? More.
You know, come on social media talk about the woman's son in the army and him life if come back with peace and him gone or come back in a body bag. Hold on, una dirty light bird in a family. We come and say she can't recall. It look like you and dirty light bird in a family can't recall. You come on social media, come state it that the woman's son in the army and remember him can come back with a limb gone, yes, so a limb gone there, so him can come back mentally, him can come back in a body bag. You go for the woman's son, they say, you know. You know, see, it has go for the woman's son. When the woman they not chat to you. You understand? But you come on this now and pretty it up at about God forbid. You never say God forbid the first time. And you not say it now, I pretty up things. Because your son in a mess right now. So you don't want it look like so you go for the woman picnic. You understand? So you pretty it up about son in a mess. But God forbid. The first time you never say God forbid, you come out strong. Who don't remember so harm him, you know? Ray, and him can't come back with one emblem, yes, so gone, one gone, this, or come back in a body bag. Hey.
Then we said that she could have put her in one prettier clothes, and her casting was too pretty. You ever hear we come and downgrade that lady? Eh? You don't see an idiot, delusional boy. Eh? I'm telling you.
People, as I say, this woman coming like, boy, I don't know, sometimes, boy, I tell you, sometimes I just tired for the video with this woman, but this woman just, I don't know what to say. The woman just coming like she do all these things just to stay afloat. I mean, now I go see it and not talk about it, my people. You understand what I say to you? One thing after the other, one thing after the other. You don't have no other farmer thing where you can just come with. For somebody in a social media with so much experience, so much slash behind your name. Every day you're in a phone, as some farmer passa carrying down people, swinging it over there, so swinging it over there, so discriminating people, carrying down people child. Yeah, and when it knock back on your gate, you say we are scrape up your gate. Yo, speak mind people. Continue to like, share and subscribe. Remember to hit the thumbs up and watch the ads, please and thanks. And remember the backup channel Life is a Mission. And go over there, go give me some watch hours now, please and thanks. Things over there one you can watch. Only notice from what you when my sister the subscription gone up and you not subscribe to the channel. Oh, me get more energy and me just do some little video, drama, video, cook vlog back to back. Go over there, go give me some watch hours, man. I want 2,000 odd watch hours. Without you don't watch a video, me nah go can't get it. And come November, if me don't hit that 4,000 mark as me tell you no, the just under 2,000 me have, not going to carry over into December. Me have to start fresh again. The watch hour on a serve for 365 days. Which is 1 year. And it's last November. Me open this channel, Life is a Mission TV channel. So, you know, come November, make 1 year, which is 365 days. And it's hard for me lose that nearly 2,000 watch hours. So, now go over there, go watch the video, man. Go over there, go watch the video, then, man. And give me some watch hours, man. Alright? Speak mind, people. We come to the end of the video, yeah, you know. Thanks for watching again. You understand? Kakai curly. You sweep out your house. Clean out your house. Every day you sit down and you name in the settee. And I never yet see you even wet one piece of rag and wipe or nothing at all. And same like how you name and put the piece of white sitting them in your clothes, you see, the hand towel them in your so like a dribbler. I same when me know say food and sitting that's the same place which you sit down. You can't so skill that everything up on the hand towel. You understand? I mean, never one day yet say after you done eat and get up, you got dash and come with a rag or come with a mop or nothing at all and cleanse up that area there. Nobody with sinus not supposed to can come and feed your house. Currently, anybody come at your house with sinus have a turn back. You understand? People, thanks for watching. I'm out.